Hi, I'm Ryan Graciano, Chief Technology Officer and co-founder of Credit Karma.
And I'm Joe Kaufman, President of Credit Karma. Our third big bet is to unlock smart money decisions for the millions of Americans who are struggling with their finances or looking to optimize them. Last year, we talked about our key revenue drivers like credit cards, personal loans, and discussed new products like Karma Guarantee and Karma Drive, which supports usage-based insurance. Today, we'll share a completely reimagined app experience focused on engaging products and features that are personalized for the member. This will help our members, and it will also help Credit Karma. It's simple. Members who activate more features engage more often. We find members who add even one additional feature have a 3.5 times higher average monthly retention rate and over 4 times the average revenue. At Credit Karma, engagement drives revenue. Now, here's what we will begin to roll out over the coming months. When a member logs in, they'll see a lot more than their credit scores. Members will link their accounts and see key financial metrics and insights, like their net worth, debt, and property. Let's look at property. This includes tracking the estimated value of their home and cars, as well as any changes in their home equity. They'll be able to monitor their credit cards, as shown here, so that they can track their usage, check their balance, and payment history. Members will also be able to link and monitor their insurance and check their Karma Drive score, as well as monitor their existing loans. This enables us to deliver truly personalized recommendations, like the refinancing solution shown here. Simply put, if a member can benefit from a new financial product or could get a lower cost loan or insurance policy, we'll let them know. We'll also make it even easier for members who are interested in taking out credit cards and help them find personal loans and auto loans, or find the right home or auto insurance for them, and make it even easier to open a checking and savings account through Credit Karma Money. When a member applies for a credit card or personal loan on our platform, they can do so with simplicity through Easy Apply, which pre-populates applications with members' data, and more confidence and transparency through Lightbox, our proprietary technology that allows lenders to deploy their underwriting criteria in an encrypted model building environment. With Lightbox, members have approximately 2 times the average approval rate when they apply for credit cards on Credit Karma versus other platforms. Now that you've seen a few of the highlights, I'll hand it over to Ryan, who will introduce us to Intuit Assist.
Thanks, Joe. I want to start by saying that Gen AI is the most transformative technology I've ever seen. I work with it every day, and I am still amazed by what it's able to do. So let's go through an example of how Gen AI will change a member's experience on Credit Karma. Imagine a member who just started their first job. They live paycheck to paycheck, so when they have an unexpected expense, they risk running out of money. This member has already linked their accounts, and Intuit Assist can see that they're running low on cash. So it will proactively notify them to call their attention to the potential cash crunch. They click and will begin a chat with Intuit Assist. Once there, Intuit Assist will show how the transaction impacts their expenses for the month and ask if they need help creating a plan. Then it'll provide a list of personalized financing recommendations, all based on their own data. They'll be able to easily compare their options here, which empowers them to make the best decision for them. In this case, let's say they choose a personal loan backed by Karma Guarantee. That means they'll be approved for the same or better terms, and if they're not, we'll give them $50. Then Intuit Assist will lead them to our Easy Apply experience. A quick review, apply, and their application will be on its way. And they never have to leave the Credit Karma app. Cash crunch averted. Intuit Assist helped the member cover their shortfall before it could surprise them. Now let's look at a member who is more established in their career and has a higher income and a solid credit history. Here they log into Credit Karma, where they've linked their accounts. At a glance, they can check their net worth and click to review their credit usage, where a personalized insight catches their eye. Clicking in, they'll see there's a rewards opportunity for them. When they click on the AI-generated recommendation to see the details, it will expand to show the opportunity, and the work will already be done for them, comparing the average rewards they're earning with their current credit card to the earning potential of another. They hit explain, and that will start a conversation with Intuit Assist. It starts by showing them what they're spending by category, like dining, transportation, and travel. And based on their top spending categories, Intuit Assist will explain rewards they might be missing out on. It will offer a set of personalized reward card recommendations based on their spending, so they can earn the right rewards for them. From there, they'll be able to compare their options, and if they want to learn more, they just click. With the context provided by Intuit Assist, they're now empowered to make the right choice for them. In this case, applying for a new card. Finally, they'll review the application and can apply with ease because they're on Credit Karma. They can feel assured that they're getting the most out of their cards and not leaving any rewards on the table. This is the power of Intuit Assist. No matter where a member is on their personal financial journey, Intuit Assist identifies the right recommendation at the right time, connecting the dots for members so they can take advantage of better financial products and make financial progress. Now I'll hand it back to Joe to close us out.
Thanks, Ryan. So why does this all matter? Across the Intuit platform, our scale and innovation is truly differentiated. At Credit Karma, we have nearly 130 million members in the US, visibility into $9.5 trillion worth of consumer debt, 60,000 tax and finance attributes per member, fueling more than 65 billion daily machine learning predictions. We can help millions of Americans with their finances by providing a highly personalized experience that also drives engagement. If you are not already a Credit Karma member, we encourage you to download the app. Check it out for yourself.